Right now I'm in beautiful Southern California and I'm at my grandma's 1940s house, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out her old vanity in her bathroom and replace it with a new one. I got it in the back of my truck right now. Go ahead and start demo and replace this thing. So as you can see underneath this vanity, we have our water lines. The first thing we want to do is make sure this is off. We'll go ahead and turn this one off. Turn this one off. And we'll just check to make sure there's no water running through here. Before we unhook this line, we want to go ahead and get a bucket or a towel because we don't know what's going to drip out of here. For this, we're going to want to grab a wrench. And we're going to go ahead and unhook all these cords. We don't need to unhook this from the actual main water line. We can go ahead and just unhook it from our faucet. That way we can just pull the faucet out and then hold all these lines here, because we're going to end up having to cut this out and this out of the new vanity. Now that kind of reveals what we're looking at. It looks like it's only glued down, so that's going to make our life a little bit easier. Sometimes they come with clips, but we are only working with a glue down. That way we can actually tilt this thing and go ahead and make it our lives easier taking this guy out. I'll probably do this one by hand. See, most things come with a new one of these, so we don't have to worry about this guy. You can honestly just push down on this guy and turn her this way. I would suggest actually taking this guy outside and cleaning it out, because this is where all your gunk sits. Sometimes that will create a smell or a clog. So we can go ahead and see how gross that guy is. Go ahead and toss this. That'll be a new one of those in our new sink. Okay, I'll turn this guy up on its side. I'm 20 years old and this sink's been here way longer than I have, so I think it's about time we get a new one for her. One anchor in the tile. Go ahead and see if we can do this by hand. Looks like one's straight into a molly on the wall. Got two mollies, I guess. Which makes our life easy. This thing in theory should just slide it right out. There we go.
What are you doing? Installing this?
Yep, putting a new one in. See the old one, like how nasty it is? Do you have a jigsaw or a sawzall?
I got a jigsaw. You gotta cut the holes down here, huh?
Yeah, well, I think what they did, they cut a hole like, they cut from the bottom up, like that. So I was saying, it saws off straight up, cut out that line so that whole thing will just slide in.
Oh, you can just slide it in.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, instead of drilling the hole.
Gives us a start line too.
just gonna give us the idea where to
Put a hole.
put the hole.
Oh, thank you, Dad. No, thank you.
It's close. That'll work.
Goes nothing. Beautiful.
Come on, smash it that way.
Hey, there's nothing.
Oh my gosh, it's very different. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. It's good working.
And then you got that all cocked back there, so.
Yeah.
Then you got your drawers.
Oh, you have it. Oh, it's different here. Oh, you have it. I like it. The keys is more easy for me.
Yeah. And then
This when I have it throws my finger. Oh, that's good. Thank you. Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Thank you. You have a good job. I appreciate you very much.
yeah, no problem. But yeah, all new.